Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here for Unity. Today's episode we are featuring a one-layer card using the newest Plenty of Pandas set. Hope you enjoy it. We're going to begin by placing the pandas from the Plenty of Pandas set on our Misty. I have pre-assembled my cardstock onto the corner of the Misty. Next, using some black ink, and for this I'm using Catherine Pooler's. We're going to ink up the pandas, repeat to get a nice, clear, and black image. Using Copics, we're going to begin with the darkest shade, and for this we're going to have 3 shades of yellow. We are going to draw the circle, color it in, then draw the rays with the middle shade, and then with the lightest shade we're going to go ahead and blend the outer rays onto the card. Next, using 2 shades of blue, we're going to go ahead and use the darkest shade of blue in the inner corners of the rays and then blending out with the lightest blue, covering the entire background of the card. Using 2 shades of green, we're going to go ahead and flicker up to create some grass. And this does it for our card. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Easy way to create one-layer cards. Thank you so much for joining me. Have an awesome day.